Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Veggie Smoothie a la cube in Pokémon Quest step by step. Start by collecting 2 veggies and 1 honey, then head to the cooking pot and choose the Veggie Smoothie recipe. Maintain steady timing while stirring and use the molecular spice at the midpoint to boost flavor. Watch for the success meter and adjust ingredients next run if needed to improve the smoothie outcome. Gather 2 veggies and 1 honey, plus a basic spice to start testing flavor outcomes. Prepare your cooking pot and assign a helper Pokémon that has taste boost skills to increase success chances. Begin the recipe with moderate stirring, watching the meter as flavors combine, and avoid overcooking by stopping when the meter stabilizes. Record each variation so you can refine the ingredient ratio on the next run for consistent results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more step-by-step guides and tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money and long-term planning makes a fun, casual read between cooking runs. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel and your collections. Now let's get back to the video. Begin stirring at a steady rate, monitoring the flavor meter closely, and slow down when it reaches 1/4 to half full. Add the molecular spice at the midpoint to boost flavor without risking a burned result, and keep an eye on the helper Pokémon for any skill triggers. Once cooking completes, cool the smoothie quickly to lock in bonus effects, and then store or serve according to your gameplay strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.